Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen time not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings in your device and now scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is any update available for you. So guys, as you can see, this iOS 18 beta 4 update is available. You have to simply download this and after this you have to simply update it in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to open your settings again and tap on general again, scroll it below all the way and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and now you have to simply tap on reset all settings from here. So guys, here you can see this, and reset your all settings of your device for one time and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to your screen time and now scroll it below, and from here you have to simply turn off your screen time for one time from your device if you have set up it on your device. So guys, you have to simply turn it off and after this you have to turn it on again. So guys, do this, and after this give a forced restart to your device for one time as well. So guys, for that you have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.